I mean, with all that crying, yeah, I'll definitely be like this. And I'm fucking makeup again. I am so sorry. I'm going out with Tando. Mappa Cindy. Angfun. Aibo. Ngiyayigowela nje. And mhlambe ngizofaka izaza yazi because avuvukele emehlami avuvukele. Kuvula ulayini noma no. Ngizothi kanje kuphela with no line. Kube ne direction kuphela. Avungihlanyisa mama yo yeah. What are you saying? I'm actually going out because I want to take pictures. Rather cry in a gorgeous apartment than emkhukhwini. Okay. Mina ngingakhala mfana noma ikephi. Namanje ngizoya emotweni, ngizokhala nasemotweni driving to where I'm going. Cause I mean you have to cry. Allow yourself to cry, like fucking cry. It's okay. You don't seem weak. Some people don't cry because oh, I'm gonna seem weak. No, cry, my babes. With you. Woo! Ulayin. Asufa ulayin ne? Ibangu Stevie Wonder. Today I'm wearing jeans and this top. I love this top. Ever since I bought it, angazi ngiyigqoke. Indoda ayikhala ungazongidakela wena ubani indoda. Bengazi ngizohleka. Do you bath with the wig on? No. Ngifaka amanzi manje. I love this. I bought it at Zara. I'm gonna wear this, but side kakhulu, so I'm just gonna tuck it in. I was feeling anxious the whole of yesterday, and I was crying. It'd be like that, and it's okay. It's a wig, my babes. I don't have nice hair. Okay. Sivulisa iphathi ke manje ikama uthi ngivule ngale mpahla le uthi ngiphuze futhi kodwa namhlanje ngizoyenza drinking and driving yazi ngizofonela abantu mase ngidakiwe ngithi hey I'm drunk please come take my car oh ngizoyenza njani namhlanje I'm so sorry guys ngiyenza drinking and driving because I'm not about to Uber. Like, I'm trying to look pretty today. But I'm not doing makeup, but I'm trying to look pretty. Kodwa futhi angifuni ukungena kwi-Uber. Anginalo nje energy ye-Uber. Ngiyenza drinking and driving namhlanje. Mengifa futhi kuzobe kuwusuku lami lokufa. Check it out. It's the wrong time. Things seem to change. It's been said that nothing good lasts forever, but this love is better every day. We get all excited and sad. Some men like shy moonwalk ngizoba right yes. kumele ngishaye moonwalk. Run around like teenagers. What? What? Who? Me cry? Who? Me cry? No. Me cry? What? Kalama tears of joy like Kaya, okay? Break.
We're never gonna break up. We'll be always there to make up. As long as we stick together, we climb higher. I'm gonna ride with him to the wire. Our love is never gonna end. We on fire. Feels like the first time we met.
And I kissed and I told you I love you. Okay. Uthi ngiyiqale phansi ingoma. Uthe ngiyiqale phansi. Cela iglass. Ufuna ukuthela utshwala bambi hayi. Ngiyancishana ngotshwala mababes. Nale gama ihleli kanjani nje? Okay, sendi inwele manje.
Two people are together for a long time. Things seem to change. It's been said that nothing good lasts forever, but this love gets better every day. We get on the side and side every time that we get along. We still got love in his eyes, and I still got love in my soul. Feels like the first time we met.
And I kissed and I told you I love you. Run around like teenagers.
Married with kids, and we still talk on the phone for hours when I'm away. We still write letters and send me flowers every other day. Wishing everybody yes is how we make it last. I tell them I'm still, he still was there. Now I still smile in the morning. With our lives are still in the songs. We know everything about each other, but we still keep holding on. Yeah, we're never gonna break up. We'll be always there to make up. As long as we stick together, we'll climb higher. I'm gonna ride with him to the wire. Our love is never gonna end.
We on fire.
The first time we met.
And I kissed and I told you I love you. Run around like teenagers.
Even though we're grown, married with kids, and we still talk on the phone for hours when I'm away. We still write letters and send me flowers every other day. Wishing everybody yes is how we make it last.
Right, and then that.
I'm still, he still was there. We go through problems just like everybody else, but I really don't mind.
Bring it to step.
Whatever makes us keep.
Ngiyakhona, that's why I'm getting ready. Ngemhlangeni. That's why I'm getting ready. Why ningiphuthuma? Hawu, ngiyakhona. It's not like bazothi hamba ngoba wena uyivirgin late and stuff. Yeke. angeke bangixoshe noma ngilate noma ngikho late akushithi ukuthi ngilokhu nja akushintshi yo mele ngithi hotcom othi ngi-on oh i-on babe cause we make it fresh I want to Saturday here's my lover, my baby's father. Ayashisa shem. Shisa ngathi mina yezwani. Yashisa yes. Today is such a beautiful day to cry. Like, why the fuck was I crying? Having no drama. I have no drama, Shem. Hey, girl, relax, calm down. Like, calm the fuck down. How about you calm the fuck down? So, but how about you just calm the fuck down? Khalelani, having papa. Listen, Khalelani. Ngiyapapa shem uthi ngiphuze futhi ngiyapapa ho Khalelani uyapapa uyapapa shem hayi uyapapa useyakhula uSindi ushuthi ngikhuliso wena why were you crying Vese? Oh, it was just a mental breakdown. I had one yesterday. I had a panic attack yesterday and a mental breakdown. But I'm good now. Like, but then again, out there, but they still managed to just wake up and be okay and choose to be okay. I don't know. I don't know, Mina. I can't choose. When I'm not okay, I'm not okay. I won't try to convince anyone that I'm okay when I'm not okay. Kuyobalula nje ukungibona mina before ngicommit suicide. Ukuthi kumele ngishone kanjalo kuyobalula nje ngiyongibona early ukuthi no yena Shem she wasn't holding up very well. Ooh, girl, I look good. Girl, we are here for you. Decide to be grand again namhlanje. Uyangibona uthi ngidlala ingoma yami engiyithanda. Ayi izongikhipha kule live. Izongiphatha kahle ezongeza give me right. Ezongeza give me right moonwalk. Get shy. I ain't get shy, man. Get shy. Ooh, I love this hair. I used to sell hair and I bought this hair for myself, just so you know. I used to love this wig so much. I used to wear it all the time. Okay, sengiqedile ngixoxa indaba yenu. At least ngiyakhala nge-thin waist. ngiyakhala ngine-fat ass. Louder. Ngine-thin waist, ne-fat ass. Wow! Khona okhala umithi. Umithi. Imithi, miss. Imithi, miss. I have no reason crying. I have no reason crying. I have no reason. Like, I have zero. Imithi, miss. Ngiyarealize ukuthi no man. Khona okhala umithi. How am I? I'm scared. I have no reason to cry. Like, what you mean? Like, I have no reason. Okay. I needed to go live. Pregnant. When you already drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm just trying to make myself feel okay. I'm not drunk. I'm not. Why you judge? Okay, ngiyaqoka manje guys, zobe ngibuyi. Kodwa uthanda uthengiswe ngo2:30.
Feels like the first time we met that I kissed and I told you I love you. We still run around like teenagers, even though we're gonna marry with kids. We still talk on the phone for hours when I'm away. We still ourselves.
But this wig,
Every other day, pushing everybody else. It's how I make it last. I tell them I still, he still.
this wig would slap if I had individuals. Manje ama-lashes wami aqothukile. Run around like teenagers, even though we grown baby. Kind of fool. Uthi ngo uFantasia uzongikhipha and kulandela ingoma yakhe lana, so tomorrow I'm gonna cook myself a good meal.
Delight. Discovery Bank clients are officially.
I'm gonna cook myself a good meal. Ish, nale ngoma izongikhipha kwi-live. Anibhaleni isigisi la. Wanna be a star. Imnandini le moto, hayibo le ngoma emotweni. Ukhona ukuthi angivuli ulayini manje senithi ngawuvuli. No, I'm just gonna I know I wish nobody.
But now I heard somebody got these good
Let us see go. I just wanna be a star. Na 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 na. I just wanna be a star. This is my jam. Thank you. No, umuhle ngeline.
I'm just a ghetto boy. Came me down from the bottom.
angeke ngihlanyiswe impilo ngihlanyiswe yinina ngihlanyiswe yini ngiyangihlanyisa yezwani ngiyangihlanyisa. Where did you buy your hair? Na ngiyakutshela ukuthi ngangiyidayisa inwele, and I'm gonna go back to selling hair. Actually, I have bigger plans now. I have bigger plans. I have bigger plans. Igawuni ngiyithengile eWoolworths actually, and it was very cheap because siyaphelisa. Listen to me, Cindy. Push back. Hey, mbo angihlanyi mina ngekhanda yezwani. You're glowing, Cindy. Ngiglowisa inyembezi, right? Oh my God, thank you. Wow. And a fat bank balance. Love it. Yeah. At least ngiyakhala mase ngena ku FNB wami ungangitshela -00 ntontoni. Mase ngithi, "Hi man, I'm that bitch. I am that bitch. I am that bitch. I am that bitch. This bitch gotta go. You've been on my nerve. I'm not even gonna block you. I'm just gonna remove you. I'm just gonna remove you, my vibes. I'm just gonna remove you. That's it. Angilwi nawe, no, we're not fighting, but you're just cocky. And it's not nice. I saw you last night in Montana. Yeah, she's. Thank you. Thank you. Yes? Okay.
The times where I belong, and I'm begging home. I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me. Mama told me keep it going. Wanna be a star.
Be a star.
We gon' make it and it's written in the stars. Now a couple people pray that I fall. They don't wanna see a black man fall. I say,
Utheni Uncle Vinny got? I didn't see his comment. I just remembered something, like, imagine being thick and funny, and I'm thick, I'm funny. Like, what a best combo. Like, thick and funny. Like, Cindy, what's the song's name? It's Ingoma Yasmamanu Star. I love it so much. Ngithanda la ekuqaleni kodwa kakhulu. I'm just showing my love. Ubini. Woo! Guys, Vinny is actually a nice person. You remember the other time when I was training for all the wrong things, like for good 2-3 months, you trained and for like you trained up and trained up. Man, you trained a local. And Vinny was like, "Hey, I just want to ask you, are you okay? Da 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 da." I'm like, "Oh, you're such a nice person." I actually thought you were mean. I don't want to lie. I thought thought you were so mean. I thought you were mean. I wish nobody. Guys, I'm gonna go live again when I'm done dressing up and show you my outfit. My outfit. Ngifake ngishampeni efridgini ngomiwe. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. Mama's baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom. Wanna be a star. I'm gonna. I think it's under phone. Wow, I look so good. I look so good. I look so good. So shoot some saying it's a bad bitch. It's serious. It's on Benny Kulega. It's serious. Yes, because I am serious. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? You look nice. Thank you, my babes. It's nice belly la phambili, but emuva it's not nice. But ngiyangena ukuthi kuyoyithela le jean. What the fuck? It's because of him. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. I'm driving to me and I'm going to request you. So big. Eh? You can drive. Okay, nginga sobe singasakwazi ukuphuza kahle ish. Nginga drive to me. Yo, bengihalela ukudrive, ngifuna uqamba manga shame, ngifuna uqamba manga. Try. You try like biltong. Try shame. Okay, so I'm going to drive again. I'm requesting as Kalsin, okay? Are you done cutting your hair? Okay. Uthe ugezile njandini qamba manga. Why expose? Are you rubbish? Umusu qamba manga thanda, umusu qamba manga thanda. You're like, I'm cutting my hair now. Vele ngikhambe sengigezile. Qamba manga uzukhoda sichaparapandini. Ay, na manga shame. Okay. Oh, makhona singicela uqale phansi ngigqokise bandla. Angifuni. I'm looking so good. Like, it's just the jeans at the back. There's like a lot of space. I'm wearing that outfit that I've been dreaming about. Yeah. Asumaya, okay, Chomi. You would say about the reservation, La Panic, it's just walking. I hope the food look like it's nice, like how it looks. Because people have been like having good reviews. Like I was also going through my reviews, wow. On Google, yes. Alright. Oh, hambogeza ke uyashaya half-past 2 manje. Awukwenze kube zikhindi bakithi. Hey. Okay. Back to wall. Amafoni amawachajiwe kodwa it's not like khona umuntu ozongifonela and stuff. Izono lezi ezinkhincayo. Izono yizo. Uthini? I haven't been blocking people. Let me hit. Wena ungazongidakela indaba yelona wena ungijwayele masithemba mina kutshengisa ukuphoxa. Zokuphoxa uhambe kancane mina ngizokuphoxa. Angeke ngikuphoxe kuphela ngizophinde ngithi fafa inhlamba here and there. D&D. If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. Yamos, what's the thing? If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. Where are you going? I'm going out for lunch with my friend. I'm actually going out to take pictures. I can't live without her live videos. You look cutesy. Thank you, baby. You need a ring. I'm gonna buy it. I am gonna buy it. I know I look good. My big titties. Woo, 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 woo. Shoes. Okay. We need to go choose ikatu. But I have an idea because I always wanted to wear this outfit, so I have an idea. I'm gonna wear these green shoes. And I want to show you the bag also. Ututando, I mustn't drive, okay? So I'm not driving anymore because I'm gonna wear these shoes. Yeah, baby, lighting yellow. Beyonce! Oh my God! Emhlangeni ngibuya khona. I mean ngiya khona. I'm getting glammed up like this because ngiemhlangeni like mina inkinga yini ngiyajajana. Akuyona lethi if you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. Akuyona bengayona this whole time. Ngiemhlangeni guys, so yeah. So yeah, it's Kwama. That's my favorite part. I'm wearing these shoes. I'm gonna carry this bag. I'm carrying this bag. Oh my God, he looks sick. I look so good. I would lie. So I'm gonna pause on it. So pause on it. Oh my God. Tell me this is not eating. Tell me this is not eating. Tell me this is not eating. I look good, right? Thank you. Nayo, nanguzosha. Sunglasses, I still have to choose my shades. But these have gold and this is silver. I know I have gold earrings, but I don't know if they're gonna work. Let me go choose my shades actually. Maybe I don't need shades. But I make time of guys, like I seriously been crying. Like I've been crying. Maybe I put these. I've been putting these a lot. I'm obsessed with these. But maybe they could work. You don't think they could work? Let me try them on actually. Let me just try them on. I don't know. Ooh. If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. Baka lezi ze Gucci. Oh, angnayi Gucci Mane. Angnayi Gucci Mane. Angnayi. I'm so broke. I am so broke. I don't know. Mhlawumbe ngivele ngibe retro. I don't know though. Khona ezinye engazithola kuzinhle manje angiziboni ukuthi ziyaphi, but ayibo guys, there's a bee la endlini. Jesu. Thiwinyosi suke iqonda ukuthi umeat. Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to tell me something? Nice. Are you trying to tell me something? But I'm still gonna slide for you. No. Ngcolile futhi. But these are eating and I am Chanel now. Ungezla iduze kwami. Anginayo iGucci Mane. Wazokhuluma amasimba lo. Angisablockani manje ngiyukuremove cha. Black shade. I don't have black shade. I got the ngoma. It's unhealthy. Singalalisa uSimamani futhi. Hey, uthando guys, uthanda kasile ekhanda. Map my black shades. These. Usimamani gama, usimamani. Usimamani gama, usimamani. These cannot know.
I just need to take how I'm out. Drip, get fresh, how I'm out. Pull up in the games, how I'm out.
Okay, I want to know.
I just need to take how I'm out. Put me to the drip, how I'm out.
Ungene kanjani la uzungakwazi ukuphuma kuthakele.
I just need to take how I'm out. Drip, get fresh, how I'm out. Pull up in the games, how I'm out. Stop, how I get, how I'm out.
Or maybe I could just when I'm taking pictures, not a good thing is Google, but imnandi lengo memotweni uthanda uyangiphisisela ngesikhathi esiright. Simbi zabeyungu.
All eyes on cake, young boy, parents, my music baby.
It's a bloom. Oh my God.
All I see is pop states, see me up, but still I'm running. Need my money and still be working overtime for my kid. Man, what I told y'all, who need that they couldn't get like you. Tryna think schools on melody. No No 9 to 5, but I'm putting that work. I'm making sure my moolah is deep. Tryna be a cover of a magazine. I eat that one Pablo in between. Then I'm lit as gas. Pick up myself. Then he's saying that I see take how about how drip. He ain't fresh how about. Pull up his pants how about.
Okay. Well, since I'm carrying this bag, I'm ngizofaka. I hope abacheki ikhwama la siyakhona. Ngizoyifaka zonke ibuzo zami la. What if these work? What if these work? Okay, imani ngisatila nesibuko ne. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Oh! Oh! I think these eat. What if... I think these eat. Okay, let's practice in this class. Let's practice in.
I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. It was love at first, I know when you walked in.
Ooh! Yes! If you say no, you are a hater. Uzobe usungena lapha esithombeni sami usuthi wow! Wow! No, ngihamba nolala manje ngoba niyazela. Sleepers come in. This is to hide my swollen eyes, by the way. Zobona, annayi vision, annayi vision. Okay, no shade. I still have my shades in my bag.
I'll be down to risk it up if you ask me to. Ain't playing with your heart, cause that's too much to lose. You put it up on wall, but you ain't bulletproof. I got it out your mind, got nothing to prove. Tryna open up your mind to see a clearer view. All the times I've been through.
Abalale. No. Inkinga abanayo vision. Anayo vision, guys. Nizobona, ngifuna ukutshengisa, ngithatha isithombe. And it's so shisa. Oh my god. Oh, trust me. Kan umuntu othanda ukusho njalo. Oh, trust me. He likes saying that. Why am I laughing? Oh my shit.
But I was on the other side, didn't know this.
I lost my watch, so I don't have a watch. I don't have an accessory for isandla and my ntonton le ini the ntonton anginayo so ngishiye emzini yabantu so uzobe nginalutho la ngicabanga ukunquma inzipho kodwa yazi ngizehlisa ukuthi oh kodwa ngizophoza ngaso lesandla lezi zona ngizosenza drizzle in my pocket. Drizzle. Okay, I need some champagne. Hey. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngizongijaja kodwa izohlala kanje emuva kumele ngenze njani ngoba ngihambanga ngayo i-tailor. Kuyafana ezithombeni nizobuka la phambili angithi so shut up. Also abantu bawagqoka bewavulile. When are you worried about this? I have a fat ass, another thing. Like I have a fat It's so fat. He's so fat. He's so fat. Fat. It's fat. It's fat. The jeans are hard though. Twanks. As in like hard, as in like we are ngoma ne. Ama Gen Z phela nina ama Gen Z angiyazi Lama slang isincoma ngawo. If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. It's so fast. It's a it's fat. It's okay. If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God. Girl, sunscreen. Section to sunscreen, man. Ooh, child. I look so good. Ooh, excuse me. So, finish sunscreen, man. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck? Okay, I'm here to go to get the sunscreen. But think I'm mashiya manje, mina ngisasele glue. Ngiyowasha isandla ngoba ngizoba white la. So, kama mashiya. Do the line. I look so good. And I look so good. And I don't really feel so good, but you don't really have to feel so good in order for you to want to look good. Even if you're not okay. I mean, lihambe lenyosi, lihambe lendlini yami ngoba angizwani notheni. So back to what I was saying. This could be us, but you're playing. Anyways, bring it to me, Nina. You don't have to feel right in order to ufune ukuba muhle. Are you wearing a bra? No. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean, my babes? It's not just my ass that's fat, but I bring ibele to the table. Unalon, drizzle, and I bought it cash, Kesana. Oh, scent of the day, I love you. My man bought me this. My man bought me this. I don't know where's the lid, but my man bought me this. It smells so good. Drizzle. Ngizoyifaka esikhwameni sithi ngiphethe u-4 room namhlanje. 4 room lo khona yonke into. Yabona u-4 room wangampela. 4 room lesikhwama 4 room ngaphathi impahla zokuyela le ndodeni zenyanga yonke. Anyways, I smell so good. I know I'm gonna smell so good. Hot black. Siyajola futhi. Hayibo, unomanga wena. The top. Hayibo, kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani, kwenzakala. I was trying to do this. Stupid. You stupid girl. What the fuck? That's not nice. That's not nice. Ouch. Kwenzakalani. Amazipho. Ngani ngiyeka ngezipho zami guys like nina niyadelela. Ngimtshelile ukuthi ngizophoza kanje yangithi. Ngimtshelile ukuthi ngizophoza kanje. Yabona i-hater le colon ingifuthe ebusweni. Stupid. No watch, no bracelet. That's the thing. I said this. Were you here? It's clear enough that you weren't here. I lost my watch and I'm gonna go buy myself a new watch. And i-bracelet yami, hayi ngishiye emzini yabantu. Kambe la kulesi sikhwama yazi. Ngoba bengiphethe lesi sikhwama. Ibuku yazizwa ikhala ngazi ngipakishe ngazi umphako. Ayikho ayikho. But this bag also is nice, but that green is nice. This gold was just gonna ruin it because this is silver. It's you, Mos. Iyona, akumina. Hayibo, why tell kuyimina wrong lana? Bazukaphola kamnandi. Usindi bayamuva on sis. If you don't know how to talk to me, othi ngidlala ingoma. Hayibo, okay. Othi ngidlala ingoma yokuphuma la endlini. Sengengoma entsha engiyithandayo. I ngiyancela ukuyidlala izongikhipha, so I'm just gonna play enye ingoma. Ngizodlala uDrake again ya Matracula mabe. Oh, I just wanna think you're mine. You know Drake le, I know Drake le, you know Beyonce phela ngifuna le no Drake. That I never go wrong. I need to listen to Drake before I actually like leave the house. If you don't know how to talk to me, talk to God.
If you haven't been in the country, you'd have to come and visit.
That'll be an adventure.
I admire you. Louise is a beautiful woman.
Something's not right with him. I'm gonna leave now.
I wanna watch this.
That's right. You tried to leave. You didn't say goodbye.
Oh, I got one. Dun, 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 dun. I'm watching what is love. Oh.
Conversations about breakups and separations. I'm not feeling like my sister, baby. Are we gonna even make it up?
Baby. Shem, I love you so much.
Taking us a little too far. If we are taking us a little too far.
Baby, if we are.
We're taking us a little too far. Maybe I'm worried about wherever you are. Taking us a little.
Let me also put my LV on.
Taking us a little too far. Taking us a
Siyaphela kodwa. know you wanna roll with a good girl. One time this is so for the good girls. One time this is so for the good girls. Wanna roll with the good girls. Oh, Nyankheg. Ayikho raselini ngayo. On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest in the kingdom. I'm not gonna drive anymore. My friend said I mustn't drive. We should get married. Let's go this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. Umuntu ongihlebayo la. Umuntu ongihlebayo la. Cela simthuke. Umuntu ukhuluma masimba siyamthuka. Yini umuthi? What's that? From LA to LA, nothing about you. You all my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. This a thing where with you deep and we share. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything that I'm asking for is you. Stop making a big deal. Let's get carried away. Uthande kuyakuthuka umsulu wakhe naye. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. Would you recommend your car brand to someone else? Yes, I would. I don't really know a lot about cars. I don't know, but I would. It's a nice car for a first car. It's a nice car for a first car. I don't have umuntu okwazi ukusho ukuthi igudi lapha umuntu oseke waba nemoto before and then manje usiyakwazi ukucomparison. Me, I don't know jack. I just be getting into my car, driving around. Faku petrol, angikhohlwa faku petrol sham, angikhohlwa nkosi yami. Oh. Drizzle.
Would you hurry on my mind? Long as you know who you belong to.
Ngethanda iphathi radio. What's it?
Who you belong to.
From A until A.
I think about you. All my nights I don't know what to do. I need to request, but I need to ask Tando if is he done? Okay. We leaving. Now you wanna roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for the good girl. Oh, but see, this is all for the good girl. Do it big, do it all for the good girls. Okay, bye guys. Where are your jeans from, mama? Cotton On. My jeans are from Cotton On. This top is from Zara. I actually like it when it's like hugging my neck, but it doesn't seem to want to hug my neck. My top is from Zara. It's actually longer, but I tucked it in. Ifigala, like it's a full t-shirt. Figala. And then my heels are from Mr. Price. My hair is from Angel Circus. My bag is Stiff Maiden. How? Nai. Yeah. Ngikwazi nje ngizosha. Yashisa la ngaphandle. Do it all for the good girl. Do it all for the good girls. Do it all for the good girl. Mama Dracula, I love you so much.
I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah. Just something that way too deep and we should stop making a big deal out of little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything in my skin for you. Stop making a big deal out of little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine.
I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Okay, another thing, I just want to say you are mine, okay? You are mine. And your tummy? No, I won't put it on my tummy because I don't know why. Okay, sorry about that. I look too good to be swearing. Like, I look too good. Like, I can't be doing that. I have to be nice. Be nice to girls. Be nice to girls. Party charger, I'm having put to 4 room. Party charger. In case if I'm going to party charger. My lip gloss. My cologne, and all my shades, in case I look good in them. And then Nina Nzomasen figure like put it to wow, you look so good. Because I know. Tell me something new. Get that? Hey, guys, no, that's not being. My other phone. Oh, not me looking for this phone. I just wanna say, I want to fuck what you hate. Long as you know who you belong to. What's on what? Ooh, never could never be me. Could never be me. Aw. Bengithi ngiyazpoila ngithi ngifuna ukuhamba ngo-Uber Black wavele wathi 9,700 and what ngathi udayiwe. Angeke ngiyispoile. Awu 9,000. Ayibo ngeke kwazi. Sorry. Hey, ngehlise phoza yami ngehlise ngeke ngiyasaba yo. Ngiyasaba. Nantawa. Huh. It was. Angfun. This is why women are always late. You didn't have to say that. Be nice to girls. Oh my God. Be nice to girls. You have to be nice to girls. I'm waiting for my Uber now. Okay, 3 minutes away. I'm not driving anymore. I'm quite sad because I wanted to drive so bad. But then again, it's weekend, so Namapoisa Azobe out in the box. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you mine. Fuck what you had, you mine. Uyangazi upho masifikile ngaphandle masengifikele ethi masengithi yo sorry drivers ngithi yo sorry drivers ngithi ngiyongena elifting awe ama lift awasebenzi ngehla ngama steps cabanga that time bengiyifakele lip gloss ngiyaxolisa drivers Nkosi yami bengithi ngathi kwathi kwavele kwangahamba kahle shame sorry you poor thing. Okay, ngiyahamba impela manje. Okay, ngiyahamba impela manje, ngempela like I'm not even kidding like ngiyahamba impela manje. Impela. Like I'm ngiyahamba, yabona? Ngiyahamba. Papa yini? Da. Uber driver is watching you. Shame, poor thing. Poor thing.